Welcome to Be Agile D. Even if you are not a technical Scrum Master or a technical project manager, it is very important to understand technical terminology and jargons to better support your Agile Scrum teams. So today's topic is about understanding BDD and TDD, test-driven development and behavior-driven development. Agile teams, here's a challenge. How do you write better tests, catch bugs early, and ship high quality software faster? The answer, both BDD and TDD. What's the difference? Which is better? Let us break it down in about 5 minutes. Let's start with test-driven development, where you code with confidence. TDD is you write tests first and then write code. Before you write a single line of code, you first write a failing test. Then you write just enough code to make the test pass. Finally, you refactor the code for optimization. Let's look at an example. You're building a login feature, and what do? With TDD, you write a test first. If I enter a correct username and password, I should be able to log in. Then test fails because the code does not exist yet. Write the code to make the test pass. Refactor and optimize. The key takeaway here is TDD is all about preventing bugs before they happen. Now let's look at behavior-driven development, BDD. BDD speaks the customer's language. Imagine a world where developers, testers, product owners, scrum masters speak the same language. No more confusing test cases filled with code-heavy jargons that only developers can decipher. That's where behavior-driven development shines. Instead of writing traditional technical test cases, BDD emphasizes writing tests in plain English, focusing on business behavior rather than code. In BDD, you write tests in plain English, focus on business behavior. So instead of writing technical test cases, BDD uses Gherkin syntax to define behavior in a way anyone on the team can understand. If it's QA, it's the devs, product owner, scrum master, any other business stakeholders who may or may not be technical. Tests are written in the given, when, then scenario format. A BDD test for login might look like this. The scenario could be successful login. Given I'm on the login page, and think of a login page from any website that you are building, when I enter a valid username and password, then I should be redirected to the home page. Now everyone on the team understands the behavior being tested. Developers can automate these tests using Cucumber, SpecFlow, or Behave. The key takeaway here is BDD aligns the devs, the QAs, and the business to build the right things. TDD focuses on writing correct code, and BDD focuses on writing the right product. So what are some of the tips here? Use TDD when building complex logic and ensuring code correctness. Use BDD when defining clear, testable user requirements that non-technical stakeholders can understand. Experienced and high-performing Agile teams use both. First, BDD for defining features, and then they use TDD for implementing them. And that is the difference between BDD and TDD. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Agile and testing wisdom. And do let me know if your teams use BDD, TDD, or both. Let's chat and see you in the next video. Thank you.